forest of Bwindi in southern Uganda, where the main population of mountain gorillas live. And it's a magical place because this is where Africa meets.
As you can see behind me, we are situated in the middle of the penetrable forest.
The rooms are located in the middle of the rainforest. You feel like you're in the middle of a fantasy land, and it blends in with the environment.
From your deck, you can hear the chimps and even be visited by the mountain gorillas, which is the wonderful experience for the guests that visit us here.
At Bwindi, we have a variety of activities. Birding is one of them. You can go nature walk in the forest.
One of the projects we have here is the tea project. The tea tours entails how tea is processed locally from withering to sorting. Also, there is another program which we are supporting through the hospital.
They do many amazing projects in the area, things like home sanitation, hand washing projects. They found that most of the patients coming in had diseases that would have been simply prevented by washing hands.
When coming to the lodge, you feel very homely because Ugandans are very welcoming.
That's what I've tried to imbibe in our staff. When they're with our guests, that it's a sharing experience, welcoming you and sharing their life with you.